Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today we are discuss about some important questions of integer. Before we start the important question of the integer, we remind some important topics which we are covered in the previous video. Let's see. Integers. The set of the positive, negative and the zero numbers is called integer. Subtraction of the integer for two positive integers, then it may be the subtraction of the two positive integer, it may be positive or negative. Subtraction for two negative integers, it may be positive and negative. For two unlike signs, one may be positive and one may be negative, then it may be positive or it may be negative. Then division of a integer for two positive integer, then the quotient is always positive. For two negative integer, if we divide two negative integer, then quotient is always positive. But if we divide two unlike signs, then the quotient is in negative form. Then the multiplication of an integer for two positive integer, if we multiply it, then the answer is in positive integer. Same as two numbers we multiplied, if they are in both negative integer, then the multiplication is positive integer. Same as if we multiply two unlike signs, one may be positive and one may be negative, then the answer is minus negative integer. Same as addition of integer for two positive integer, if we add two positive integer, then the result is always in positive integer. If we add two negative integers, then the result is sum of the two negative integer, but the sign is always negative. Next is, if we add two unlike signs, then the result is may be positive or may be negative. Same integer with unlike signs, it means if we add to opposite and equal integer, it will always be 0. In previous video, we are discussed about the number line. If it goes left to the 0, then it shows negative integer. And if we move right to the zeros, it shows positive integers. And the next is property of the integer. Addition property of integer, we discussed about the closure property. It means if we add two integers, then the result is always in a integer. Same as the associative property. If we add A to the sum of B and C is always equal to the sum of C to the addition of A and B. Integers also show commutative property. It means if we add A to B is equal to sum of the B to A. Next is additive identity. 0 is the additive identity of the integers. It means if we add 0 to the given integers, then the result is remain unchanged to the given integers. Next is closure property. It means if we subtract to the given integer, then the result is always in a integer. Next point is properties for subtraction for an integer. First is commutative property. It means the difference between A and B is not equal to the difference between B and A. Second is associative property. Associative property of a negative integers does not obey the associative rule. It means A minus bracket B minus C is not equal to A minus B minus C. Commutative property, multiplication of commutative property of an integer shows the product of A and B is always equal to the product of B and A. Next is closure property, that is A into B, the multiplication of the closure property. It means the two given numbers of an integer, if we multiply it, then the result is also in a integers. Next is associative property of a multiplication. If we multiplied A to the product of B and C is equal to product of B, A into B into C. The next is division, closure division of an integer. If we divide A to the B, then the result is may be integer or may not be an integer. Then associative property of a division for integers is if we divide A, then B divided by C is not equal to A divided by B, then divided by C. Next is commutative property for a division of an integer. A divided by B is not equal to B divided by C. Next is multiplicative identity. Multiplicative identity of an integer is 1. It means if a given integer which is multiplied by 1 or which is divided by 1, then the result remains unchanged to the given number. It means the multiplicative and the additive identity of the number of an integer is 1. Now we are discuss about the some important question of an integers. Let's see. Question number first is given minus 67 multiply with minus 1. First, we multiply the symbols of the given number. If we multiply minus to the minus, then it show a positive integer. Then minus into minus, that is positive. 67 into 1, that is 67. And the right answer is part C. Let's see. Question number second. Find 4 multiply with minus 8. First, we multiply the symbol. The symbol of the 4 is positive. Multiply with the symbol of the 8 is negative. Then the opposite signs we multiplied. Then the symbol of a result is in negative. Then we multiply the numbers 4 into 8, that is 32. Then the right answer is minus 32. That is part A. Let's see question number 3. With respect to which of the following operation is closure property satisfied by the set of the integer? The closure property by the set of the integer, that is positive, multiplication and negative. And the right answer is part C. Let's see question number 4. On a number line, when we subtract a positive integer, we move. Let's see a number line in a center, that is 0. If we move left side to the 0, that show the negative integer. And if we move right side to the zeros, it show positive integer. Let's see, on a number line, when we subtract a positive integer, we move to. If we subtract a positive integer, let's see, subtract a positive integer, 4 and 3, both are positives. If we subtract the positive integers, then we move to the left side of the given number. Then the right answer is move to the left. In question number 5, 10 multiply with minus 3. First, we multiply the symbols of both integers. The symbol of 10 is positive and the symbol of 3 is negative. Then if we multiply the opposite signs, then the result is in negative integer. Then the symbol is negative, and if we multiply 10 into 3, that is 30. And the right answer is minus 30. Let's see. First, we multiply the symbols of the given integers. The symbol of the 10 is positive. Multiply with the symbol of the 3, that is negative. Then if we multiply positive to the negative, then the result is in form of negative integer. Then 10 into 3, that is 30. Then the minus 30 is the right answer. And the answer is part C. Let's see question number 6. What is the absolute value of minus 2, 3, 9? Absolute value of a given number is that remove the symbol of the given number and the numerical value is as it is. Remove the symbol of the given number and the numerical value is as it is. It means the minus 239, the absolute value of this is 239. And the right answer is part B. What is absolute value? The value, the given number, if we remove the symbols and the numerical value is same, then the value is an absolute value. Let's see the next part. Question number 7. Additive inverse of 10. Then the additive inverse of 10, then symbol will be changed, that is minus 10. additive inverse of 10, then symbol of the 10 will be changed, that is minus 10. Then the right answer is part C. Let's see question number 8. What will be the sign of the product if we multiply 8 to the negative integers? Let's see. What will be the sign of the product if we multiply together 8 negative integers? If we multiplied 8 negative integers, let's see. 8 negative integers, it means the negative integers have the power is 8. Then the negative integers and the exponential power is in even number, then the result is always be a positive integer. Same as if a given negative number and the exponential power is in an odd number, then the result will be in negative integer. Then the question put out is the sign of the product if we multiply together 8. The sign of a negative multiplied together 8, it means the power is 8 and the negative number which have power is in even form, then the result is in positive integer. Then the right answer is part B. Let's see question number 9. If we multiply 2 multiply with 4, first we multiply the symbols. The symbol of the 2 is positive, multiply with the symbol of the 4, that is also positive. The symbols of the same sign multiplied, then the result is always in positive. It means the symbol is positive and 2 into 4, that is 8. And the right answer is part A. Next question is question number 10. Find 0 multiply with 7. If a given integer multiply with 0, then it always be a 0. Then the right answer is part B. 0 into 7, that is 0. The next question is question number 11. Is given that 6 multiply with minus 15 add with 10. First we solve the bracket minus 15 and plus 10. Both have opposite signs. Then we subtract, that is 15 minus 10, that is 5. And the 15 and 10, which one is greater? 15 is greater and the symbol of 15 is negative, then the result is minus 5. Then if we multiplied 6 to the minus 5, first we multiply the symbols. The symbol of the 6 is positive, multiply with the symbols of 5 is negative. Then positive into negative, that is negative. Then 6 into 5, then the multiplication of the numerical is 6 into 5, that is 30. Then the right answer is part C. First, we solve the bracket 6 into, we solve the bracket, then the addition of minus 15 and plus 10, then the both have opposite signs. Then we subtract 15 minus 10, that is 5, and the symbol of 5 is negative because 15 have negative sign which is greater than 10. Then we solve. First we multiply the signs of the both integers. Then the integer 6 have positive sign, multiply with the symbol of 5, that is negative, then plus into minus, that is negative. Then the symbol is negative, then we multiply the numerical value, that is 6 into 5, that is 30. It means the right answer is minus 30, and the right option is part C. Let's see question number 12. If A, B and C are the integers, then A plus B plus C is equal to A plus B plus C is called distributive property. Then the answer is part B. Let's see question number 13. Where are the negative numbers located on a horizontal number line? A horizontal number line is this. The center is 0, and if we move left side to the zeros, so the negative integers, and if we move right side to the zeros, so the positive integer. Then the question put out is, where are the negative integer located on a horizontal number line? Then the negative integers is located left to the 0. Then the right answer is on the left of the 0. Let's see question number 14. What is the value of 1, 2, 4 multiply with 4, subtraction with 3, then add with 118 divided with 2. First we solve. We use the formula of BODMAS. First we solve bracket of division. First we solve division. The symbol of division is this, 118 divided by 2. First we solve the division. Let's see. 1, 2, 4 into 4 as it is, minus 3 as it is. If we divide 118 to 2, that is 2 5s are 10, then 1 remain, then carry 8, then 2 9s are 80. Then the quotient is 59. Then we solve bracket of division, then multiplication. First we solve the multiplication is 1, 2, 4 multiply with 4. Then solve 4 4 ja, that is 16, 6, then 1 carry, 4 2 ja 8, and 1 that is 9, and 4 1 ja 4, that is 4. Then the 1 2 4 multiply with 4, that is 496. Then same as it is. Then bracket of division, multiplication, then we solve addition. And 4 9, 6, 3 plus 59. Then we add 59 minus 3, that is 56. Add with 496. Then we add 496 with 56, that is 2, 1 carry, 10 and 5, that is 15, 5, 1 carry and 5. Let's see how we solve. First we solve bracket, then of, then division. First we solve the division. 118 divided by 2, that is 59. Then multiplication. If we multiply 1 to 4, multiply with 4, then 496, same as it is. Then we solve the addition, then we add, that is 56 add with 496, that is 552. And the right answer is A. Let's see question number 15. In question number 15, evaluate minus 50 divided by 5. If a negative integer is divided by a positive integer, then the quotient is in a negative symbol. Then 50 divided by 50 divided by 5, that is 10. Then the answer is minus 10. And the right answer is part A. Let's see. Minus 50 divided by 5. A negative integer is divided by a positive integer, or a positive integer is divided by a negative integer, then the quotient is in a negative form. Then we solve the numerals 50 divided by 5, that is 10, and the right answer is minus 10. The next is fill in the blanks. Let's see how we solve fill in the blanks. Which one is greater? Let's see how we solve which one is greater. Minus 3 and minus 5. Let's see. On a number line 0, if we move left side to the 0 shows the negative integers, and if we move right side to the zeros show positive integer. That is 1, that is 2 and 3, 4 up to so. And that is minus 1, that is minus 2, minus 3 and minus 4. And show minus 3 and the minus 4. Then which one is on a right side? And the right side is minus 3. It means the minus 3 is greater than minus 4. The numbers in a number line have in a right side is greater than the given numbers. Let's see, minus 3 and minus 4, and the minus 3 is the right side to the minus 4. It means the number is minus 3 is greater than minus 4. Then the next is plus 6 and minus 20. Let's see, the plus 6 is in right side of the zeros, and the minus 20 is left side to the 0. It means plus 6 is right side to the minus 20. It means 6 is greater than minus 20. It means 6 is greater than minus 20. Then same as next part, minus 8, and this is minus 2. Then minus 2 is the right side of the minus 8. It means minus 2 is greater than minus 8. Then the next is part D. 5, which is right side to the 0, and minus 7, which is 0 side, left side to the 0. It means 5 is the right side to the minus 7. It means 5 is greater than minus 7. The number line shows, let's see, 0. If we move 0 to the right side, then it shows positive integer, and move to the left side, show the negative integer. Then we compare the two numbers on a number line. Then the number which is right sided to the given number, then the number is right sided is greater than the given number in the left sided. Okay. In the next video, we are discuss very short questions and the long questions of chapter first integer. Thank you. Have a nice day.